Hey guys, I will show you how to repair the electric stove. This electric stove has a problem. Please subscribe and click the bell. If you can see, I will show you why there's a problem. Now, if I will turn this on, there's a light. See that? This one. How about this? Okay, good. This one. This one. There's no light for this. No light for this too. So we can try to put this one here. You can transfer this one over here. Let us see if the problem is the filament. Okay. Okay, transfer here. Okay, let us see. I will check this one, okay? Nothing. At this one, see? It's good. So meaning the filament's good. So all we have to do, so just remove the plug, the back. I'm gonna just power. Okay, remove the plug. Okay, I will remove these screws. First thing that we are going to check is the switch. Okay, set up for ×1. Okay, the switch is good. Next, we're going to check the fuse. All you have to do is just lift this up. Okay, and then we can check every fuse. Set up on ×1. Okay, good. Okay. Good. This one. Okay. Check it out. So good. I will check more. Check here. Good. Outlet, open. Right, left. Open. Open, right, left. Right, left. So still good. The last one. Check this one. Okay, this one is broken. This one doesn't move. See? So we are going to change this one. It's 20 ampere. So I have a new one here. 20. So same thing. Check if it's new. Okay. See this one? See? Doesn't move. So we have a problem for the fuse. Double check. Okay. In here. This one. This is the broken. This is a broken one. So I gotta change the new one. A new fuse 20 ampere. Okay, now we're going to check now. Good now.